Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blades for Delta scroll saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 3-inch scroll saw blades. For hobbyists working with vintage Dremel equipment or Delta 15 hobby scroll saws, this 45-pack of pin-end blades offers exceptional versatility. You'll get 15 blades, each of 15 TPI, 18 TPI, and 24 TPI, letting you tackle various materials from softwood to copper. Made from SK5 German high-carbon steel, these 3-inch blades feature a 2 to 3/4-inch pin to pin distance and resist corrosion well. While most users report stable performance with regular use, you might encounter occasional quality variations. The pin-end design makes blade changes straightforward, and you'll find them compatible with multiple saw models, including Craftsman 572.24, 7202, and EMCO Lux Hobby. Moving on at number 4, we have the JTEX scroll saw blade. DIY woodworkers seeking versatile scroll saw blades will appreciate the JTEX 48-pack assortment, which comes with 4 different TPI configurations ranging from 10 to 24 teeth per inch. These 5-inch pin end blades fit popular brands like Delta, Ryobi, and Dremel, making them compatible with most 15 and 16 scroll saws. You'll find these blades effective for cutting wood, plastic, copper, and soft metals. While they might leave rough edges that need sanding, they maintain their sharpness through fine and coarse applications. The package includes 12 blades, each of 10 TPI, 15 TPI, 18 TPI, and 24 TPI, giving you plenty of options for various projects at a competitive price point. At number 3, we have the FOXBC metal cutting scroll saw blade. Scroll saw enthusiasts seeking versatility will appreciate FOXBC's 24 TPI metal cutting blades, which excel at precise cuts through multiple materials including hardwood, plastic, copper, and soft metals. These 5-inch pin-end blades fit popular 15 to 16-inch saws like Delta, WEN, and Craftsman models. Made from SK5 Japanese carbon steel, they're corrosion-resistant and built for longevity. Users report aggressive cutting performance and straight tracking through 3/4 hardwood, though some find them less durable than expected. At 36 blades per pack, they're a cost-effective alternative to pricier retail options, and most users praise their cutting capabilities and value. At number 2, we have the Delta No. 7 Super Sharps trademark scroll saw blades. Woodworkers tackling detailed projects with materials up to 1/4-inch thick will find the Delta No. 2 Super Sharps trademark blades indispensable. These premium blades come in a pack of 12 and feature a precise 0.029-inch width and 0.012-inch thickness. With 20 teeth per inch, you'll achieve clean, accurate cuts in your thin stock materials. The high-quality construction guarantees these blades will last through multiple projects. If you're looking to expand your Delta tool collection, you can find these Super Sharps trademark blades alongside bandsaws and table saws in Delta's brand store. And finally, at number 1, we have the FOXBC 5-inch scroll saw blade pin-end replacement blades. Crafters seeking a versatile blade set will find excellent value in the FOXBC 5-inch pin-end replacement blades. Made from SK5 Japanese carbon steel, these corrosion-resistant blades fit perfectly in your Delta scroll saw and many other popular brands. You'll get 48 blades with varying TPI, 10, 15, 18, and 24, making them suitable for different materials from softwood to copper. While they perform well on softer materials and thinner woods, you might experience some breakage when cutting hardwoods. The blades install easily and cut sharply, though their durability can vary depending on your project material. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.